thank you parents for supporting your daughters. I think I'd just like to spend 5 minutes to tell you what Passionista is all about and what we're trying to do and to achieve this year. This year, Kitchie has decided that we should be more clear and we should be more upfront to tell people what Passionista is about, what we're trying to achieve. And I think we have decided that to keep it simple, we wanted to concentrate on 3 main pillars of Passionista. So beauty in the wider sense, okay? Of course, it is statistically proven that over 80% of female in America, they feel more confident. The feel-good factor in medical terms is actually very important. And over 80% of women of various ages feel good when they have makeup on. So whether we like it or not, I think makeup is part of our life. So the second workshop is a makeup tutorial. Again, we can't, maybe in the future we will expand, but we've got limited time and we try to come up with workshops which is of the most interest to most people. So for the time being, for this year at least, I think we're sticking to the stage walk training and we're sticking to the makeup tutorial. Now the third one is, I think, is the foundation of it all. I think we are working with a lot of young people and we like to work with a lot of young people. But I think it is also important for you to realize that you are at the stage of your life where you are developing your personality. And again, this is a very big topic. It's about value, it's not just about confidence, it's not just about self-esteem. It's about your values, it's about your ethics. It's really quite a complicated topic. As parents, we actually encourage you to come to the workshop with your daughters. We're trying to develop young people into having good personality. And based on that, and if you stay healthy, you look pretty, then I think you'll be able to take on the world. And you guys are taking on a very difficult world.
We are the top winners in models category in Season 1 of Passionista Professional Series 2019.
We want to thank Samsung as